Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today we'll show you how to get animal company modes. Okay, now first you should go to the description and you will see here a link to these two files. You just have to download them from these two buttons right here. After that, you should search for sideloadly.io. Then it will open this interface. Now you should scroll down. Then you're going to download your version. Then you are going to connect your iPhone and then put your Apple ID. The Apple ID is usually the email or Gmail that you sign up your iPhone with. And if you don't connect it, it's going to look like not found device. So first you want to upload the EPA file, then click on advanced options, then open inject dialyps right here. Check this box right here, inject dialyps. Then click on plus step right here, then add the dep that gives you the mods. Then click on start and it should load in and successfully download it. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.